Today we're going to remove the rear struts on this 2006 Honda Civic Si Coupe. Alright, this is an 8th generation Civic. I'm going to be using a 17mm and a 5mm Allen wrench. Alright, the 17mm is going to go here, and the Allen wrench is going to go right up on top. And I'm going to loosen this up. Oh, perfect. Not even going to need that Allen wrench. We'll take this off, then we'll lift up the vehicle. I already have this one off here. Next is this one, and then we'll lift up the vehicle. All right, and we'll remove the nut, we'll remove this washer, and we'll remove this little rubber gasket, seal, bushing, mount, whatever you want to call it. Same thing on this side here. All right, and as we lift, it should be dropping from the inside of the car. And these are still pretty solid, but you can compress them down and out of there. And we have one more bolt right here with a nut behind it, I believe. I know, I need tires bad. These were the front ones. Front ones are good. I just didn't rotate them in time. I already have an appointment for brand new set of wheels tomorrow, or tires, not wheels. All right, for mine it's gonna be a 19, and I'm hitting it with the impact, and it looks like it's coming off. Perfect, sweet. Now I'll just compress this. Oh, shock. Oh, I gotta work it out of there. Then I'll compress it up, then I should be able to get it out. All right, so it'll be a lot easier if I remove the wheel, but I'm just trying to do this as fast and as easy as possible. I'm at work and I'm on the clock. Shh, don't tell no one. All right, so I got it out. Compress that bad boy in, and here we go. And that is how you get the rear strut out. I just got to do the other one, so I'm gonna hurry up. I'm gonna stop recording. This video is just how to remove it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for the next one if I install it. Hey.